Production begins with innovative design inspired by the 1974 Pony.
Prototypes ensure precision engineering. High-quality materials form the foundation.
Stamping molds shape the iconic design.
Precision stamping creates body components.
Automation ensures flawless panels. Inspections maintain high standards. Parts move to body assembly. Welding forms the strong frame.
Robots join panels seamlessly. Structural integrity is key.
Advanced tech enhances strength.
Checks ensure durability. Ready for protective coating. Cleaning preps for paint.
Coating adds protection.
Primer ensures adhesion. Signature color brings it to life. Accents highlight performance. Clear coat adds gloss.
Drying sets the finish.
Polishing perfects the surface.
Now for powertrain integration. Fuel cell powers the hybrid.
Tanks enable quick refueling. A 62.4 kilowatt-hour battery boosts performance.
Motors deliver over 670 horsepower.
Vectoring enables drifting.
Wiring connects all components. Cooling maintains efficiency. Tests verify power output.
Suspension handles high speeds.
Brakes ensure control. Wheels complete the drive.
Interior blends tech and comfort. Seats provide sporty support. Controls enhance driver experience. Tech screens add connectivity. Upholstery refines the cabin. Safety is prioritized. Trim completes luxury feel. Doors seal the structure. Badges signify N performance. Wing optimizes downforce. Lights enhance visibility. Alignments ensure fit. Scans detect imperfections. Dyno measures performance and calibration tunes handling. Brakes tested for safety. Diagnostics verify electronics. Fuel cell optimized for range. Battery tested for fast charging. Interior ensures comfort. Aerodynamics refined. Touch-ups perfect appearance. Simulations mimic real driving. Analysis reduces NVH. Safety meets high standards. Certifications confirm eco-friendliness. All parts unite. Rollout marks completion. Mapping safeguards during transport. Ready for delivery. Team approves excellence. Awaiting global debut. Tanks refined for safety. Cooling optimized further. Torque tuned for power. Stack tested for longevity. Systems sync seamlessly. Wing fine-tuned for speed. Materials built to last. Software enhances functionality. Badging marks exclusivity. Alignment perfects balance.
Track versions amp up performance.
Road versions balance luxury. Colors personalize the build.
Data logs track metrics. Valves ensure safe operation.
BMS optimizes energy. Drivetrain boosts range. Regen extends battery life. Ergonomics for driver focus. Lights tested for clarity.
Diagnostics confirm readiness.
Acceleration hits under 4 seconds.
Top speed, over 250 kilometers per hour.
Range exceeds 600 kilometers. Refuel in 5 minutes.
Drift mode for thrill. Limited to 200 units.
Prepared for worldwide delivery. Milestone achieved. Ready for the road.
Engine bay exemplifies innovation. Undercarriage built tough.
Alignment for optimal grip. Software ready to perform. Safety protocols in place. Thermal control for reliability.
Torque mapped for agility.
Scans ensure perfection.
Lighting sets the mood.
Weight balanced for handling. Certified for production.
Documented for record.
Rated for protection. Transported with care. Exiting to the world. Vision realized on roads. Heritage inspires future. Sustainable tech leads. impacting automotive world. Production begins a new era.